Good morning, beauties. How are you doing today? I am just up. Just got dressed, sort of. Have jeans on for the first time in months. And I'm having a sandwich and feeding like normal most of my crust and some of the meat to my Belle because she loves it and she won't shut up unless I feed her. I like to wear these glasses when I'm filming because I can see better up close things. I'm really upset about the scar. There's a cyst there that keeps coming back and it won't stay away. I need to go have it completely removed. I'm also having a banana. So I've been getting a big request for me to vlog my day. Honestly, I don't have exciting days to vlog, but I am hopefully doing a few things today that is out of my ordinary. So I am going to try to do a day with Evie vlog. And this is how it starts out. So I need to get my heat protectant and put on my hair. I'm going to put some of my volume and lift in. You normally do this when your hair is wet and you're about to style it, but I found that it works pretty darn well with your dry hair. And of course, I'm using the Monet Studio One volume and lift spray. This stuff smells so good and it is so good for your hair. Now I'm going to go in with the heat protectant. I'm just going to comb it through. And all these products, they have Rejuvenate oil in it. It's Monet's signature product. And so it all helps to like tame your hair as well. Okay. Belle knows the sandwich is gone, so she's leaving me now. Okay. I'm going to try to do this. I have one of these, and I found if you put them upside down, they work better. I love this. This is a Monet product, and I love it, but my hand always hits the on-off button, so I'm always having to check and make sure it's still on. I'm so clumsy when it comes to hair. I'm just not good at doing my hair. It's not my high point. I can do other people's hair, just not my own. I miss having my nieces around and I can play with their hair and they can play with mine. I miss that. That was a special bonding time. Jeremy has boys. I'm always trying to be like, let me do this, let me do that. And they're like, no, get away from me. I'm like, okay, fine. I probably shouldn't be using a hot iron right now, but because my trimmers last night was so bad. So very bad. don't know why they get worse at night for me. I already had a bruise on my eye from dropping my phone the other night. Sometimes though, my tremors just get so bad and I can't hold on to anything. And it is almost always at night. It's very frustrating. Do any of you have essential tremors? I'm choosing not to be medicated right now because apparently the sooner you start taking treatment for it, or the longer you can put it off, the more effective it is when you're in a worse situation. Did I make sense? Okay, let's do this again. This side of my head is so hard to do. Ow. See, I just hurt myself all the time. I'm about to have to log off here because I have a meeting. And then I have work to do. So today is Friday. What's unusual about today is the boys are here because they have a school holiday. I recorded a little bit earlier and then I had a business meeting. We have some really cool things coming out this month. I'm really proud of the content and yeah, so I'm dressed, I'm ready for the day. I have some pictures today, got some blogs to write, some content to do, but here is my stairs. So that goes up to the bedroom. I'm on the second set of them. And we have pictures on our wall here that I hung up. I want to someday have the full wall covered. If we stay in this house longer. So, yeah. I don't usually hang out in the stairwell, but I got a little bit dizzy. So I decided to sit down and get undizzy first before I carry on into the living room. I have high hopes for today. I need to get a little bit of work done, but then I want to plot some plants. So I'm excited. This actually isn't my forte of things, but I have Andrew. You want to say hi, Andrew?
Hi.
Oh, I have Andrew, and I have this new succulent blend, and I have a new pot, and I have my Christmas cactus that I thought putting it in a bigger pot last year was going to save its life. Apparently not. So, yes, we're doing this at our kitchen table. I have some paper bags down to make sure I don't make too big of a mess. And I'm going to need a big spoon. One of those big plastic ones, or no, it can be even a tablespoon. We're going to do it the old-timey way with spoons because our gardening tools are out in the shed and it is snow-ageddon out there today. That's fine. And a spoon. Oh, we're gonna need some scissors as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Do you need another spoon as well?
no. So I'm gonna first. I've watched extensive YouTubes on this. So first of all, we're gonna just like loosen this up, and hopefully, because I didn't use the right soil, it'll come out without too much of a problem. It's kind of dry too, so. Oh my. Oh, that's not good. It doesn't look anything like what the one on the YouTubes looks like.
So is there supposed to be like more roots?
Yeah. So, ooh, you're blocking my camera action there, plant. So I'm going to take this and put a little bit at the very bottom. We'll put a little more, actually. Okay. Then it said to mix some of the dirt that was what it was sitting in. Oops. Well, that's not Oreo crumbs, so don't eat it. Oh, no. Crap, I dropped some. Belle, don't eat that. Belle. Can you get a napkin and wipe that up? I think Jeremy has buried one too many pieces, hoping it would reroot. So I'm just going to stir that together. Being careful not to go all the way to the bottom. We want that rock mixture on the bottom. And then I'm going to put some more succulent blend in it. I want so badly to be able to grow things, but I have a bit of a black thumb. So, I don't know. I try. But Jeremy usually is the one that's watering and things, and so we could blame the death of this flower on him.
Or cactus.
So what am I gonna do? I put too much in here. Maybe. So we're gonna try. It's set to break this up a little bit, but it's not breaking up at all. There it is a little bit. Okay, now to cut all the bad juju off, which it's pretty much all not good. I'm going to try to plant some of this in another pot to see if it'll grow. This whole plant looks pretty rough. But I hope life gets brought back into it.
It's not wasting resources on nutrients on the bits that aren't really doing well.
Yeah. Okay, it actually said not to water it and for a few days, but this is really, really dry. So I think we should water it.
They probably just a little bit.
Yeah. We need to find the bottom for this pot. Put this right here. Hold on, let me put this on a... We don't want to bury the plant too much. Oh man, I'm making a mess. We're gonna have to vacuum.
Yeah.
I try and I try and I try not to make a mess. Jeremy's gonna see this and be like, you cut too much off my flour. And I'm gonna be like, you didn't watch the YouTube videos, buddy. I did. So that was plant 1. This is Christmas cactus. Oh Lord, I hope I didn't kill it. We're gonna try. God, I hope this grows. I know it looks really bad. But I have her more succulent blend in there now. And I think her roots were being constricted because there was really no growth. So hopefully, she will perk up and be beautiful again. Here's hope.